Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream rolls, the only way to achieve this fun and delicious treat. We'll cover everything from preparing your base to mastering the rolling technique. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this unique dessert. It's a surprisingly simple process once you understand the key steps, and the results are truly satisfying. Let's dive in and create some amazing rolled ice cream. First, let's prepare our ice cream base. You'll need a simple mixture of heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar is completely dissolved. For best results, ensure your base is well chilled before moving to the next step. This cold temperature is crucial for the mixture to freeze quickly and evenly on your cold plate. You can also add flavorings like vanilla extract or cocoa powder at this stage. Now for the exciting part, the rolling. Pour a thin, even layer of your chilled ice cream base onto your super cold pan. As it begins to freeze, use 2 spatulas to chop and spread the mixture. Work quickly to incorporate any mix-ins you desire. Once it reaches a pliable consistency, use 1 spatula at a 45-degree angle to scrape and roll the ice cream into perfect spirals. Practice makes perfect with this technique. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade ice cream rolls. Arrange them beautifully in a cup or bowl and add your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, chocolate syrup, whipped cream, or even a sprinkle of nuts. The possibilities are endless for customizing your delicious creation. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after all that rolling, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Happy rolling and happy reading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.